y'all, it's Fortune Frankly and welcome to Fortune Frankly Fridays, where we do DIY home decor and more. Today I'm going to be using some painting techniques that I've seen on TikTok and that I've seen on Instagram from TikTok. Now I'm not going to get into the TikTok millennial versus Gen Z wars. I think it's overhyped. Y'all need to chill. I do like my middle part though. Not gonna lie. This is gonna be kind of a low-key video. I am going on vacation. I am gonna live my best life. And I wanted to make sure I released a video so y'all don't have withdrawal symptoms, because you know that could be tough. So it will be low-key and it'll just be a nice video to chill and watch. For all of these projects, the basic materials are a canvas and some acrylic paint, and you know, some things like a paintbrush. We'll be using some saran wrap and some palette knives. And there will be minimal voiceover, good music, and chill vibes. So with that, let's get started. All right, welcome back. Now these techniques were pretty fun to try. I do not consider myself a good illustrator or a good painter. That's probably like one DIY area where you're gonna have to watch someone else's video. I wanna make more TikTok inspired videos because I see a lot of things on TikTok that are really, really great. I'm curious to know which painting you thought came out pretty well and which technique would you like to try. If you're feeling lucky, you can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And if you're not feeling lucky, I'm so sorry, but I hope to see you again in the near future. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. And as always, thanks for watching.